Have you ever looked into an animal's eyes and wondered what they think of you? Not what they feel, not whether they like you, but what they actually think you are. To a dog, are you family? To a cat, are you staff? To a bird, are you a strange featherless giant? And to a wild animal, are you a threat, a curiosity, or something so confusing that it does not fit into any category at all? The truth is, animals do not see humans the way we see ourselves. We think of ourselves as people with names, jobs, phones, houses, and complicated lives. Animals do not know any of that. They judge us through smell, sound, movement, routine, and behavior. So the real question is not, do animals understand humans? The better question is, what kind of creature do they think we are? Let's start with dogs. Dogs may be the animals that understand us best. They can read our faces, follow our pointing, recognize our voices, and sense changes in our mood. A dog does not think you are another dog. It knows you look different, smell different, and act different. But that does not mean it sees you as separate from its social world. To a dog, you are part of the pack. You are a provider, protector, playmate, and emotional anchor. That is why dogs get excited when you come home. To them, your return is not casual. It's a reunion. You are the creature that brings food, safety, affection, and structure. In a dog's mind, humans may be strange, upright pack members with terrible noses and amazing access to snacks. Cats are different. Cats understand humans, but they do not respond to us the same way dogs do. A cat probably does not think you are a cat. It knows you are bigger, louder, and much less graceful. But cats often treat humans in ways that resemble how they treat other cats. They rub against us. They blink slowly. They bring us things. Some researchers believe cats see humans as social partners, not masters. When a cat meows at you, it is usually not using normal cat-to-cat language. Adult cats rarely meow at each other. They mostly meow at humans. That means cats have developed a special way to communicate with us. So maybe cats think we are trainable giants. Now think about horses. Horses are prey animals. Their survival depends on reading body language. They notice tension, posture, breathing, and confidence. A horse does not care about your words as much as your energy. If you are nervous, the horse may feel unsafe. If you are calm, the horse may trust you. To a horse, a human is a small, predator-shaped creature that somehow does not act like a predator. That is confusing. We have forward-facing eyes like hunters. We approach directly like hunters. But we also bring food, grooming, and companionship. Over time, horses can learn that humans are safe leaders. They may see us as strange herd members who guide them, feed them, and sometimes ask them to do very specific things for reasons only humans understand. Birds may see us in an even stranger way. Parrots, crows, ravens, and pigeons are incredibly intelligent. They recognize faces, solve problems, and some can even understand patterns, tools, and social relationships. A crow that has been treated badly by a human can remember that person for years. It can also warn other crows. That means, to a crow, you are not just a human. You are a specific individual. A kind person may be remembered as safe. A threatening person may be remembered as dangerous. Parrots can form deep bonds with humans. Some may see their owners as flock members. Others may see them as mates, rivals, or parents. To a bird, we are giant wingless creatures with weird voices and powerful hands. But we control doors, food, lights, and attention. That probably makes us very important. Now imagine how wild animals see us. A deer does not wonder about your personality. It does not care where you work. It sees your shape, movement, smell, and distance. For many wild animals, humans fall into one of two categories: threat or background noise. In cities, pigeons, foxes, raccoons, and squirrels often learn that humans are part of the environment. We are like moving trees that drop food. Sometimes we are dangerous. Sometimes we are useful. Most of the time, we are just there. A city squirrel may not see you as a person. It may see you as a large obstacle with snack potential. Raccoons may see humans as the owners of magical food boxes. Those boxes are trash cans. To them, our entire civilization might look like a complicated system for producing leftovers. Marine animals have their own version of us. Dolphins are curious about humans. They may see us as odd, slow swimmers. We are clumsy in the water. We need equipment to stay underwater. We make bubbles. We move strangely. Whales may not think much about us at all. We are tiny compared to them. A human beside a whale is almost like a bird beside a building. Still, whales can be gentle around people. They seem aware that we are fragile. That does not mean they understand us. It means they can sense size, movement, and vulnerability. Octopuses may have one of the strangest views of humans. An octopus is intelligent, but its mind is very different from ours. It has arms that can explore and react almost independently. It changes color with its skin. It experiences the world in a way we can barely imagine. To an octopus, a human may be a large, predictable creature outside the glass. Some octopuses recognize individual keepers. Some behave differently around different people. They may not know what we are, but they know we matter. Now here's the strange part. Animals may understand us less as a species and more as a pattern. They learn what we do. Dogs learn that keys mean leaving. Cats learn that the sound of a can means food. Crows learn which faces are dangerous. Squirrels learn which humans throw crumbs. Animals may not ask, "What is a human?" They may ask in their own way, "What does this creature usually do?" That might be the most honest answer. To animals, we are not one thing. We are many things. And maybe that should humble us. Humans often assume we are the main characters of Earth. But animals are not sitting around trying to understand our careers, our politics, or our dreams. They are trying to survive. They are watching us more closely than we realize. Every moment, every sound, every habit, and every choice teaches them something. We are always telling animals what kind of creature we are. Not with words, with behavior. And in the end, that may be the only language that really matters.